When you enter the application, you'll see a message saying that you're viewing a demo project. This means you won't be able to change the predefined data for this project. To create a new project with your own data, you need to sign up or log in if you already have an account. Go ahead and enter your credentials. You'll be asked to enter the email and password you used when you signed up. Type them in, verify that you're not a robot, and click the Login button. Once you're logged in, head over to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the Projects option. Next, click the New Project button. Fill out the form with your project details and then click Save. Note that in the Work Type and Main Building Use fields, you can select from several predefined options. Once you've selected the options that match your project, click Save to continue. Your project has now been created with your own parameters. If at any point you want to make changes to the project, click the Edit icon, update the information, and remember to save it. And if you want to delete the project, click the trash can icon. For your security, you'll be asked to enter your account password. Once you click Confirm, the project will be permanently deleted. Keep in mind, this action cannot be undone. You're all set. Now you're ready to start building your project with confidence and clarity.